final part is the irrigation. So all the components for it are in the flat pack for you, as well as the hose to feed through. The screws you'll need are the 25mm square drives, and there should be 6 of those in the pack for you. So I'll just put those up out of the way to start with. So the first thing you want to do is actually get the hose, and when you ordered your garden you had the option to choose whether you wanted the irrigation on the left hand side or the right hand side of the garden, again when you're looking towards those main front doors, and that's obviously probably because it might be the left hand side might be closer to a tap or whatever the case may be. On this garden we fitted it to the left, and 2 things will line up. There'll be the connection, right angle connection here for this hose to connect onto, and also a hole which has been pre-drilled through the base of the garden for you. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get your hose connection and fit that up. Now you can twist that on if you need to, okay, and fit that to the elbow at the top of the canopy. And what I like to do next is actually feed the right angle connection of the hose through the canopy base, and that just puts the hose in place of where it needs to be. Okay, what you want to do is get one of the hose clamps and just fit that around the hose itself and up to where it joins onto the right angle joiner, which has already been pre-fitted in there for you. And with the pair of pliers, which you'll need to use pliers, you just need to clamp that closed, and that just creates that seal for the irrigation itself. Once you've done that, you'll have 3 saddle clamps, and that's what the 6 screws are for. So what we'll do is we'll grab all that and the square drive, and inside the garden you'll see down the vertical strut there will be 2 holes near the top, about halfway down, and then also just closer, or actually on the base itself. Fit the saddle clamp over the pipe, line it up with the holes, get 2 screws, and just line those holes. And screw them off. And you want to do that for all 3 of the saddle clamps. Once you've completed that part, the last part to fit is the actual hose connection itself. So on the outside of the garden is the pipe that you've put through the hole. So I put my bit of pressure on the back of the pipe, and with your hose connection you just need to force that on, and you've got 1 last clamp left. You just need to fit that around, and again clamp that up, at the bottom. And your garden is ready to go. That's the final stage. So fill it with soil and grow plenty of vegetables.